Two of the biggest factors influencing your results are the AI model you choose and the prompt you write. While both play an important role, the prompt is where you have the most control and often where you'll see the biggest improvements. A well-structured prompt gives Rendair the context it needs to create images that match your vision. Rather than writing one long sentence, think of your prompt as a design brief. Both short and long prompts have varying results, and often changing just one word is enough to change the result itself. Start by describing the architecture itself. What type of building is it? Is it residential, commercial, hospitality, or something else? Include the overall architectural style and any defining design features. Next, describe the materials. Think about the facade, glazing, roof, paving, or any finishes that are important to the design. Then add context. Is the project an urban setting, surrounded by nature, overlooking the water, or located on a steep site? The environment helps define the overall feel of the image. Finally, think about the atmosphere or any other detail we want to include overall. You can include the time of day, season, weather, people, landscaping, vehicles, or camera angle directly in your prompt if you already have a clear vision. But you don't have to describe everything up front. Many of us prefer to keep the initial prompt focused on the architecture itself, creating a clean base render first. From there, you can use Rendair's other apps to build on the image step by step. For example, generate your architecture first, then use the populate render to add people, change time of day to explore different lighting conditions, change material to test new facade finishes, or edit canvas to make more targeted design changes. This approach gives you much more control, since each edit focuses on a single aspect of the image while keeping everything else consistent. Don't worry about getting the perfect prompt on your first attempt. Prompting is an iterative process. Generate an image, review the result, and refine your prompt based on what you'd like to improve. Sometimes adding more detail helps, while other times simplifying the prompt produces stronger results. You'll also notice that different AI models interpret prompts differently. If your prompt feels right, but the result isn't quite there, try switching models before rewriting everything. As you continue using Rendair, you'll develop your own prompting style. Some projects benefit from a highly detailed prompt, while others work best by starting simple and refining the image through Rendair's editing apps. The best prompt isn't always the strongest one. It's the one that gives you the strongest foundation for your workflow.